Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here with us today. If you're interested in making money online, you're in the right place. We have some exciting stuff lined up for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on how to make money online. We post regularly, and you don't want to miss out on any of our tips and tricks. Also, comment down below and let me know which country you're watching from. This helps me create content tailored just for you. I love hearing from viewers all around the world. Alright, let's talk about Scratch Cash, one of the best scratch card games out there. If you love the thrill of scratching off cards and winning prizes, you're going to love this. It's super simple and most importantly, free. You don't have to spend a dime to start playing and winning. With Scratch Cash, you can win amazing prizes while enjoying an awesome scratch card experience. The excitement of revealing a prize is unmatched. Here's how it works. Tap, scratch, collect, and get daily rewards. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. It's as easy as that. Plus, there are mini games like the Lucky Wheel and mini slots to keep things exciting. These mini games add an extra layer of fun and increase your chances of winning. The more you play, the more you win. Consistency is key, and the rewards just keep piling up. And guess what? You never have to pay anything. Just download the game and start playing. It's that simple and accessible. One of the coolest features is the mystery cards. These cards add an element of surprise and can lead to even bigger wins. These cards can bring you even more prizes. The anticipation of revealing a mystery card is thrilling. On top of that, the slots game and the spinning wheel add a fun twist to your scratching experience. These features keep the game fresh and engaging. You'll never get bored with Scratch Cash. There's always something new to look forward to. Remember, this isn't just about having fun, it's about winning real money. The stakes are real, and so are the rewards. Imagine the thrill of scratching off a card and discovering a cash prize. It's an exhilarating experience that you can enjoy every day. That's what makes Scratch Cash so exciting and rewarding. The combination of fun and real rewards is unbeatable. So, what are you waiting for? Download Scratch Cash now and start your journey to winning real money. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start winning. Trust me, you won't regret it. This is one of the best ways to make money online while having a blast. Before we go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Scratch Cash? What was your biggest win? Share your stories with us. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you better content. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Turn on notifications so you're always updated on future videos about making money online. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting ways to earn money online.